So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm excited because this video is going to be a quick unboxing for my G5 challenge. I want to show you guys what I got in my box and what the G5 challenge is. So let's just get right into it. So with the G5, well, this is my box. It came in this TLC. If you don't know what the G5 challenge is, in our company they started a new thing where if you get 5 new customers within your first 30 days, you have completed the G5 challenge, and you will get, you know, a certificate, just some rewards just for accomplishing that. So I did that, and now here is my G5 winnings. Guys, y'all see my face? I was breaking out like crazy, but I got my tea. I doubled up because I need to cleanse from all that holiday eating, so it'll be gone in a few days. But don't mind, Khalil, babe.
Come here, girl.
Don't mind my hair. I just did my hair, so I got my scarf on it, so it's like tied down. But anyway, let's get into this box. So we have okay, y'all. So we have some samples, y'all. So I got 5 samples of the NRG, guys. If you don't know what NRG is, it is a natural energy capsule. It will turn off your appetite while turning on your energy. This stuff is amazing, and it will help you burn 300 to 500 calories per gallon. So that's what this is. So I got 5 samples, and I also got 5 samples of the original iaso detox tea, guys. So you know what the tea is. You know what the tea is. So these are just samples I'll be giving out to, you know, people I want to try these awesome amazing products. And yeah, guys, so I got 5 samples of that. And what's in here? I also got me a certificate saying congratulations, Octavia, for completing the G5 on behalf of Mr. Jack Fallon. So this is what I got. Sum that up. And then I have me a G5 Kalia. G5 pin, y'all. So this is pin you just put on your shirt. Kind of like this. Boom. G5. This is what came inside of my G5 box, y'all. These awesome and amazing, you know, prizes. So I'm just truly grateful to be a part of an opportunity, a company that recognizes you when you accomplish something good, you reach your goals. And this company does that a lot. So absolutely love this company. So the G5 challenge, they did it the first time. So they actually did it twice for life changers and new life changers. So now if you join TLC and you are a new life changer, it'll only qualify for new life changers only. So let's say you sign up tonight with me in business. You have 30 days to complete your G5 challenge. You get 5 new customers to purchase 1 top product. It could be the NutriBurst, the tea, CBT, whatever. And once you get your 5 new customers, you will get the same exact rewards, guys. They had it to a point where you could do it up to 10 times, which was amazing. But I was happy I accomplished it. I got it done, and you can too, guys. So this is just a quick short video. I'm about to get comfortable, wash my face. I took my tea twice today, so I'm good on that. And I'll see you guys in my next video.